trust you and jump down.
You couldn't tell from some of the footage already, we are in Charleston, South Carolina, just for a one-day trip. Decided to come hang out for the day. Gonna go around some of our favorite places in the city and check out some new stuff, and hang out with a friend of mine who lives here, who is a fashion photographer. We'll have him clarify that, but that's what I would call him. But so we just ate at, what was it called?
Callie's Hot Little Biscuits.
Big fan. Would highly suggest it. I had the country ham biscuits and a cinnamon biscuit, and you had...
I had the Southern Loving, with chicken gravy and scrambled eggs. Sorry, I forgot.
Highly suggest it. It's not that expensive. It's off King Street. So if you're in Charleston, South Carolina, check it out for breakfast. There is a little bit of a line, but it's completely worth the wait. We're gonna go hit some other stuff.
I lived here my freshman year of college. That was 11 years ago. That was a big apartment.
I know I'll meet you down the line. You'll ask why I wasted my time, and I'll say I didn't know better, but the truth is I was weak and scared, afraid of the blame. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame.
You have one that has like a little variation, like right on the side, still here. Zoomed at like 400%. Oh, that one off.
To catch my fall, need to be sure.
And hang out with my friend Terrence. You saw some footage of him from lunch. We went to a place called Juanita Greenberg's. If you want Mexican food and you're in Charleston, really good. They have a few locations. There's one on King Street in downtown. There's also one in Mount Pleasant, which is across the river behind us. But yeah, Terrence had to leave us. He's going to do some stuff for Charleston Fashion Week, some shoots. But really good to see him, hang out with him.
Now we're off to the beach.
While we're at the beach, go ahead and check out some footage from this summer when we were in Charleston with our friends Jake and Kaylee. You'll see some carriage rides and some other random stuff. I'll probably mix in some college Charleston footage with some of the stuff we just shot walking past it back there. And we'll see you at the beach.
I met you in the summer when you left. It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the without you.
Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you hear my call. Darkness surround me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard. Will you be?
We were just in Alabama, but it is freezing, so we're gonna head back to downtown to watch the sunset.
Darkness surround me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go.
Alright, so we got the shots we needed at Rainbow Row. We're headed back down to the Battery to get some extra shots of sunset, just for some video and some fun. If there's anything we missed in Charleston, we know that like we've been a bunch. We know we missed a lot of stuff. If there's something we missed that you'd like to see in another video, we are definitely going to be back. Let us know in the comments below. But yeah, check out some of this sunset of the Battery, and we'll see you in the next one.